Hello, let's buy the gas at S-Oil, known for its cute mascot oil drop, Good Oil. Press start. Continue. Unlike the majority of gas stations, this one has the red premium gas option. The yellow one is 91 to 94. And for S-Oil premium, the octane rating is above 100. Here we choose the payment options, and the yellow options are card and cash. We can also pay with points, pay systems like Kakao, Samsung or Apple, corporate account, house card and coupon. I choose card as usual. The amount of gas in tens of thousands of won, and by pressing this button in the middle we can switch to liters view to choose the amount of liters. Also you can choose full tank. It will withdraw 150,000 won, fill until the tank is full and then refund the calculated difference. I choose 50,000 won worth of gasoline, ability to split the payment in 2, 3 or 6 months. I choose the lump sum payment, bonus card. We can choose to scan bonus barcode here. Also it is possible to insert phone or card number. And if you don't have anything like me, you should press the green option button. Time to insert the card. Card reader here is quite deep and protected by plastic shield, so I failed to insert my card at once. Time to fill. Take the vinyl glove.
Oh, you know?
Close the tank cap. Don't forget the card. Here are the receipt options. The options are paper receipt and car wash ticket, paper receipt, car wash ticket, and the green button if you don't need the receipt. Thank you, Good Oil. That's it, thank you for watching.